Yes, God. You guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. I am finally doing a talk through video. Holy shit. About fucking time, right? Yeah, I know. The audio may or may not be shit, so we're just gonna see what happens. I've had some difficulties with my camera in the past with like me talking and there like being like a lot of white noise BS in the background. Anyway, shooting for it again. Yeah. So anyway, this video is going to be a product review. Yes. I haven't done one of these at all, so this is my first one and I'm very excited to do so because I have some really good stuff. Okay, so the products I'm going to be reviewing today are from a small indie brand called Dazey Cosmetics, and y'all, let me tell you, this stuff is bomb. So I was sent these products to review and give my own honest opinion. So everything I tell you is 100% fully from me. You know, I ain't gonna bullshit y'all. If it's a shitty product, I'm gonna let y'all know, period. 100%, don't care, okay? Okay, so anyway, what's amazing about this brand is that she hand makes everything and she hand presses everything into their individual little containers. Like, it's bomb. I'm actually wearing a couple sorry, stuttering. I actually wear a couple of her products on my face right now. Right now I am wearing her Alien Green highlighter. You can't really see the green because of the camera resolution, but it's green. I will be swatching it later so y'all can get the full effect. Because you gonna need the full effect. Like, that shit, it goes off. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me just bring it back. And I am wearing the glitter called Unicorn. Let me see, make sure it's right. Unicorn Dust Loose Glitter. Ooh, ooh, look at that sparkle, bitch. Ooh. Shit's hot. Damn. So let's get started and drop. So let's get started and jump right on into this product review. So a few things about the smaller indie brand is that it is singularly ran by one person. That's redundant. I feel like, yeah, that was pretty redundant. My bad, singularly ran. Okay, moving on. And her name is Dazey. She's very nice. She answers all your questions. So, because any questions that I had and any concerns that I had, she answered them right away. This brand is also vegan, 100% cruelty free. She does not test on animals. She actually tests the products on herself before she puts out her product at all. So I'm just like, oh girl, so you're your own guinea pig. Okay, yes. So if there's anything wrong with the product, of course she's going to know firsthand. After learning all that information, that she doesn't test on animals, cruelty-free, vegan, all that good stuff, it opened me up to be willing to review the product. Well, let's get into these motherfucking swatches, y'all. Okay. Okay, so the first highlighter that I'm going to swatch is going to be the shade Alien. Let me just go ahead and get you a little close-up right here. I know it looks white in the container, but when you open it, it does have a green reflect, so it is iridescent when you open it. Comes in this little cute little compact container right here. Bam. Ooh. So with this product, you do have to be careful because even though it is pressed in here, the product is very, very soft, so don't ever drop it. I made that mistake with my other highlighter that I had gotten from her, and I had to, do the whole little alcohol trick. Like, this cannot risk being dropped at all because it will break, it will shatter. It's a very soft product. So here's my finger. Let's see, here's the product, and then here's my finger, and I'm gonna tap it. Bloop. And there's already so much product on my finger. Let me just go ahead and zoom in on that. You see that? There's already so much product on my finger already. I didn't have to swipe it or nothing. I just tapped it. Go ahead and swatch it. Like, there's already just so much, like, it's already jam-packed with pigment and so little product. Like, I know I'm saying like a lot, but I'm very excited about this. So with this product, a little goes a very long way. So you don't have to, you know, dig your brush all up in it and, you know, try to get that highlight, you know, get all shiny on your face. Like, no, it's already beaming. And I barely put any on my brush when I put it on. This stuff it's really good. It goes on really smooth. It has a very buttery finish. It doesn't have a lot of glitter or sparkle. It's just like one smooth, shiny, reflective surface. It's nice. Very finely ground. It gets so nice. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do a full swatch on my arm here. I'll be right back. Okay, so here I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Morphe brush. Not sure which brush it is. It came with one of the Morphe brush sets that I purchased. And I'm just gonna go ahead and glide it across the pan a few times, you know, get that excessive amount. Have to do much, but there's already so much product on the brush. A little goes a long way, girl. A long way. Right now, you see how much product was on? Like, I can put this down my whole arm. A little goes a long way. Let me just reiterate that. If you look closely, you can see the green reflect in the product. So it has a green gold tone to it. Okay, so next, the highlighter that I have here is called Golden Ween. It looks white, I know, but it's not. Trust me, this looks very deceiving in the pan, but this has a very nice, pretty, like white gold finish. This stuff, oh, let me just swatch. Let me just show y'all. As you can see, like I said earlier when I had broke it, it's like, ooh, one swipe. That's one. That's two. Not going overboard because, as you can see, since it's soft product, it's already starting to crumble a little bit. So like I said, go easy on it, y'all. Be careful with it. Like Cardi B, be careful with me. This looks so heavenly and just decadent. It looks like luxury. Shit, I might just mess around and, you know, crumble up this highlighter and put it in some baby oil and just like slather it all over my body. All over. And I don't give a rat's ass what nobody gotta say, because I'm gonna be glowing to the gods. Moving on, next is the glitter. Sorry, I love glitter so much. Pretty container with a diamond filler. And what I really like about this is the fact that it has a cap on it. You don't have any accidental glitter spillage. You know, it closes pretty tight. I can just, it has little sifter holes, so that's nice too. And so with this glitter, it is very, very fine. So it's like a highlighter, but not, because it has a lot more glitter to it. It's a little bit slightly more chunkier than her highlighter. Okay, so this would be very, very nice as like an eyeshadow topper, or even adding it on top to a highlight if you want a little bit more sparkle to your look. Yeah, so here is the glitter up close. I just used some NYX Cosmetics glitter adhesive to adhere the glitter to my skin. So that's what I used, so it's very nice and opaque and pretty. It is listed as a glitter, but I would also say that it definitely does pass as an eyeshadow pigment, so I would definitely use this as a pigment for my eyeshadows and cut creases and whatnot. And like I said, also by itself without any glitter glue adhesive, you're just laying it on top of a highlight as a nice topper. This color right here is 24 karat gold. It's shiny, very reflective. You a stunning, you a 24 karat bitch. The next up is the shade Fairy Dust. You can see what it looks like. It has a very nice, pretty, shimmery green and pink reflect to it. Gives me Tinkerbell vibes. It's really, really pretty. Nice iridescent glitter pigment. Here's the swatch on my arm. You can't really see it, but in reality, and not on camera, it does have a slight green to pink shift in color, depending on how the light is hitting you. Look at that, it's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Shade White Gold. It is a white-based pigment, but oh my gosh, it just looks like, hold on, let me just wow. Do you see that? It just looks like, it looks like luxury. Like look how pretty that is just by itself. Wow. Okay, so here is the glitter like on the base, and I know it looks really silver on screen, but it is so, it's not that silver. It has a very nice white gold reflect, but in real life it just looks, it looks heavenly, it looks pure, it is radiant, it's beautiful. This glitter says, oh no honey, we're not eating at Applebee's today, we're going to Benihana's. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the shade that I am currently wearing on my eyelids. Not too much, it's not too intense by itself, just like a very nice little iridescent finish. And right here we have Unicorn Dust swatched on my arm. On camera it does appear a little bit darker, but as I'm looking at it, it does come out like a really nice light metallic millennial pink. There is some hot pink like reflected in there, like you'll see like little tiny little pieces of hot pink reflecting back at you. Got silver. Ooh. Like the more I look at it, it just has so much dimension in just this one specific color. I like this one. I like all of them actually. They're very, very pretty. I am not disappointed in these at all. Like look at all those swatches. So out of all of these shades, I have to say my favorite one is the white gold. I love the 24 karat gold one too. It'd be amazing as like a additive to your baby oil or your lotion. You know, get a nice little shimmer, get a little glow going, you know what I mean? If you are applying it on top of an adhesive, tap it on there. Don't, you know, brush it on there because it'll start clumping up and it's just gonna be a whole mess and you're just not gonna want to deal with it. You're gonna be so pissed off that that's one way you ruined your makeup. It's, don't do it. I've been there. Tap it. Tap, 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 tap. All the time. Just, you know, pat, 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 pat. With these containers though, like I said, don't drop them. Don't like let it cling, nothing. Just these are your babies. Always treat makeup like your babies. Always. I'm just reaping what I sow here and it's falling apart still. But I'm kind of sad because this little thingy keeps coming off, so that might just be like a little defective container. I just do wish that the product came like labeled like on its actual self, like on a little sticker or something maybe, because the product did come in a little bag with the color written on it, and it kind of sucks because I mixed up all the bags swatching it, so now I'm just trying to like, you know, do deductive reasoning and figure out which color is which. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. I appreciate all of you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at O'Malley, OHH_MALY. And then also if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It is greatly appreciated. I love all the support that I get from you guys. It's very much appreciated. It warms my heart. And the fact that you just support me in general, it's just amazing. So thank you for that. It gives me like motivation to keep doing what I do, doing what I love, and like, you know, sharing it with the world. So yeah, y'all are great. You guys, I love you guys. Y'all the shit. Period. My fans are the shit. Anyway, good night you guys, good morning wherever you guys are in the world. I love you. Until next time, my next video is going to be a Halloween tutorial. And I'm very excited about it because it's going to be real creepy. Y'all are going to shit yourselves. Maybe not, depends on how you deal with scary things. But I'm very excited to be posting a Halloween tutorial real soon. Real soon. I get really excited. Oh yes. Okay. Anyway, bye. Have a wonderful night, morning, whatever.